Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account on the My Medstar website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the search box, type in My Medstar HR login and start your search. Now, within the search results, you will find the new HR login process explained within the first link. Go ahead and click on this and this will take you into a small post which tells you that the login process has changed. So click on the link within, or you can simply type in myhrmedstar.net in the address bar and this will take you into the login portal. Now if you're a current employee, click on the current associate button and you will now be allowed to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in the user ID that you have used while creating your account and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your account password. Go ahead and type in your account password and click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on the My Medstar HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Can't Access Your Account and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account with My Medstar. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.